Hey guys, welcome to another taste test video. So today for dinner, I have tortellini and pesto. So let's have a taste. I like the consistency of it. It's so flavorful. Wow. And it's also so cheesy. This is so joyful. In the comments below, please, what videos should I do more of? Unboxing, taste test videos, or outfit videos, or shopping hauls? Please comment down below. What more videos do you want to see more of? And I also did some Easter basket ideas. Like, I put down some comfy shirts and comfy leggings, or like activity stuff, like dolls that I really want, and some Easter stuffed animals like a bunny, a sheep, a chick. Yeah. And then pink and white are the main colors for spring. Wow. This dinner is a thumbs up and out of this world. Wow. Thank you guys for watching my taste test videos and eat with me's. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys!